One of the greatest advantages of owning your company is that you have the freedom to create whatever you want, as long as your products and services have the ability to meet your customers' needs and expectations. However, it is this very freedom that can make trying out new ideas a bit dangerous, especially if you don't have any evidence that they will work. But for these adventurous souls who didn't let their fears stop them from fulfilling their dreams, nothing stopped them from making some money while having fun. Hello again, welcome back to The Most Bizarre. Today, I'd like to show you the 5 weirdest and strangest startups of all time. Let's start with the video. Number 5. Dinner in the Sky. Every couple enjoys gazing at the sky and looking at the stars during a romantic evening at a restaurant. But what if I told you that a company was able to combine these two amazing concepts and bring their customers closer to the skies? Dinner in the Sky is an ambitious project that has made a dream come true. Through a floating restaurant elevated 50 meters above the ground, they allow you to enjoy a wonderful dinner anywhere on the planet. From Australia, Japan, Dubai, and India, to South Africa, Brazil, the United States, Mexico, and Canada, these guys have excellent logistics that allow them to be everywhere. Dinner in the Sky's innovative service allows you to hire the company from anywhere on the planet to share a magical evening or celebrate an event with a capacity of up to 22 guests. The best part of it is that the startup's plan is approved by Australian safety standards and is TÜV certified, making it a fun and safe experience suitable for the whole family. Number 4. Cherry. Cherry was a San Francisco-based car wash company that offered a completely unusual service. With a mission to be the best car wash on the planet, these guys created a system that allowed them to wash your car from anywhere. Whether you were 5 minutes away from a car race, needed to get to a business meeting, or were at the door of your in-laws' house and didn't want to show up with your old car full of dust, Cherry sent a team of car wash experts to get your vehicle in perfect condition. Unfortunately, the startup ended up failing because most customers in this industry are looking for the lowest prices. And Cherry's logistics made the cost of their service higher than a car wash that is static in one location. However, this bizarre and crazy fascinating idea didn't retire without leaving a footprint, eventually raising $2.5 million in its fundraising campaign. Number 3. Virtual dating assistants. Today, there are hundreds of millions of people who are having trouble finding a partner. Even if the emergence of dating apps sought to facilitate this activity, virtual dating assistants knew how to use this problem to their advantage, creating a highly lucrative business idea that would change the lives of many singles. Through their team of online specialists, this group of entrepreneurs help their clients write their profiles within these applications and interact online until the date is set. In other words, virtual dating assistants takes care of the whole tedious process of finding the partner of our dreams, saving us hundreds of hours of conversation that may end in nothing. This service, which can cost up to $1,400 a month, has been very popular in the market, being increasingly sought after by thousands of singles who do not have enough time to manage their social life. As one of the strangest ideas we've ever heard of, virtual dating assistants is undoubtedly a really interesting company that has managed to transform one of the biggest problems of our society into a great opportunity. Number 2. Potato Parcels. Do you feel that chocolates, flowers, and cards have become a bit old-fashioned? Well, then you'll love this crazy idea. Potato Parcel is a successful gift company that allows its customers to print a short message on their choice of a genuine potato and deliver it to the person of their choice. That's right, these guys have managed to reinvent the classic and traditional boring gift and turn it into an extremely unique and fun idea, using something we all have in our kitchens to make it a gift of choice for people looking to surprise their partners. Since its founding, the company has expanded its product line, offering new gift ideas such as printing photos on potatoes, becoming one of the favorite gift options for pranksters. After causing a sensation on Shark Tank and even being introduced to NBA stars, the company has managed to raise thousands of dollars through this profitable business, proving once again the importance of innovation and creativity. Comment down below if you would hire the services of this company. Bonus: Scentra. Who said shoes had to smell bad? Scentra is a very unique startup in its niche, which managed to revolutionize the market and establish itself in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Chandigarh. The company offers its customers the opportunity to buy scented shoes in a variety of fragrances. Thanks to their eco-friendly fabric, the shoes manage to retain the scent even after being washed. Although smelling your used shoes might not be a great idea, Scentra's concept is nothing short of amazing, as they manage to add a unique value to their products by enhancing the scent to their products, which not only look stylish but are also very comfortable to wear. Customers not only buy with their eyes, but they choose products and services using their 5 senses, making this a more intelligent and complex idea than this view may seem. Thanks to its passion for fashion, Scentra has been making its mark in the market. And finally, for the incredible number 1 spot. Number 1. Dogspot. Is there a person in the world who doesn't love these adorable animals? Dogs are one of the most loyal companions a human being could have. It is for this very reason that it can be quite painful to have to be separated from our cheerful canine friends and tie them to a pole while we run errands. Dogspot offers a solution to this problem through cleverly designed, innovative dog houses strategically located outside some of the busiest stores. Their sanctuaries offer all the comforts our canine friends need, including a temperature control system and a camera with which you can check your pet's comfort through the app on your cell phone. This concept, born in Brooklyn, has had a huge acceptance by pet owners, managing to raise more than $1.5 million during its launch. Today, the company has a presence throughout the United States and has plans to continue expanding. And that's it! 5 amazing startup ideas that could inspire you and help you to create your own company. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to see another one of our amazing videos and turn on the notification bell so you'll be kept up to date with all the latest news. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.